Tonight with a local breaking news alert in northern Kentucky.
Kentucky's heroin problem is mounting.
Narcotics agents broke because northern Kentucky is the epicenter of heroin abuse.
With any crisis situation, you want to deal with the most critical component of that. Right now, that is the death in northern Kentucky. We're losing a generation of people to overdose.
I didn't care if I was going to hit your grandma. It didn't matter. I'm going to get my means.
If I have urges once I leave a treatment program, these urges could potentially kill me. So if I have a medication that can reduce those urges and allow a person to participate in life normally, what's wrong with that? What is the relapse rate of individuals who have gone through inpatient treatment? I would say it's very high. From a coroner's perspective, I look at relapses, only they're in the form of a death certificate.
There's probably 20, 25 people out of my 600-person class that have OD'd in the last 3 years. And that number's growing every day.